Today I'm going to show you how to clean a stainless steel kitchen sink naturally using baking soda and vinegar. So the first thing you want to do is use hot water and to wet the sink. After you've done that, you can take baking soda, cover the bottom of the sink, and take a non-scratch scrub sponge that's wet and start to lightly scrub the sink. You can either take a toothbrush or an OxoClean brush like these and get down in around the drain. Make sure to remove all the dirt. Once you got those all real clean, next step is you want to take vinegar. This has actually got a little bit of water in it as well, and just spray any of the paste you see here. Cover it. Once you've covered it, you can take a wet waffle weave microfiber cloth like this and just start wiping it up. Go around. Start rinsing it off. And start running the water on it again while you're removing it. The last step I like to do is take a dry terry cloth towel and just run it around. Make sure to wipe up all the water spots. And then you're done. And that is how you clean a stainless steel kitchen sink naturally using baking soda and vinegar.